Hello everybody, nice to have you here. Today we will proceed to our talk about the EDS features or document authoring for EDS features from Adobe. And on my previous video, I talked a bit about the migration from the external sources into the DA. So there is a tool named Helix Importer, which is helping you to build the import from external sources into the document authoring of EDS that you can then later use for your Adobe Commerce or for any other system. And today it will be the very small follow-up because I want to show you how to make an indexes and why do you need indexes at all. If you follow the previous video, what we did there, we migrated the wiki pages, so from external source into the document authoring. So you have now, and let me show you straight away. We have now a folder with 3 pages here. And theoretically, you may want to have an index of those pages available online so you can build interfaces around it. One example is to build the menu item when you see the all links available of the whole sub pages, or you want to build a tree when you build the content. Or like in my case, I want to build the FAQ, for example. So you have one page called FAQ, you go inside, then you have the section splitted by letters, for example, or the first letter of every FAQ article, and then you can click on it and scroll down to the page. So the idea is that we want to build the index of the folder, of the site, of whatever else in JSON format. So then you can fetch it and do whatever you want with it. And for that, there is already the mechanism and tools available which can make it quite easy, and I will show on this particular example. First of all, I will share this nice tools AEM Live, which I would recommend to bookmark and use in the future, is providing the different tools which will make your life easier. For sure, all this is built against AEM APIs, so it means you can use the APIs instead, but this one for sure much easier. And if you'll search here the index, we have an index admin, and here you have the index page where you can build the different indexes around, and it's allowed you to fetch an indexes and to see we don't have any, but you also see the API logs what's going on. So yeah, let's create then the wiki index. I already have one, so we have here the pages, we have wiki pages JSON, so that's the name of our page. We define in what we want to include. It's everything within wiki folder inside. We define in what we want to exclude, can be empty, and then we define in the metadata, so it's a meta property title, so that's what you saw on this page on the metadata block. And then, for example, we can index the whole description or the whole page itself, so it's a main element here with the text content. And then if you'll try to open this URL after so don't forget to reindex, that's one. Second one, they are cached and not in your browser on the EDS itself. So if you'll generate it once, you would need to, so it will be triggered by publishing the pages and being updated. So don't worry if you made a modification and you don't see it directly. It's usually taking a time around. And then if you open this page, you will see the index. So you will see data paths, short description, and so on. And this data, as I said, is cached, so it's quite fast delivered back, which is quite relevant if you want to build something around it, some functionality. Or as example, you can build the pages search by using those indexes, because then you can use API mesh, or you're using some JavaScript or even PHP to fetch data and search through this JSON, whatever you want to search. And that's it. So it's quite small today. How to create indexes, and as I said, don't forget to bookmark this page. And yeah, I hope it was interesting, and we will see each other in the next videos. Bye bye.